achievement from it. Oh no. Ah! Not the fucking fire alarm. I can't pause. There's no pause in Elden Ring. There's no pause. This is the run. Chad, this is the run. Oh no. I can't pause, Mom. Mom, I can't pause. Get out of there. No. No. No, I was gonna win. Oh God, I was gonna win this one too. That attack is just... Yeah, he literally called in fucking... That triple hit is just impossible, dude. I swear to God. The timing is so ridiculous. The firearm's still going, it's just not in my... For some reason, the one in my building isn't going right now. Or in my room. Whatever.
Your attention, please. Your attention, please. This is Village Security. We have an alarm activation. The fire department has been notified and will arrive shortly. Please do not use the elevators. Please stand by for further instruction. Attention, attention. This is Village Security. We have an alarm activation. Fire department has been notified and will arrive shortly. Please stand by for further instructions.
I'm sweating right now. It's just really hot in here. I don't know why. It's just really hot in here right now. I put the AC up though, so that should help. With whatever's going on. Because so I'm just sweating, guys. Anyway, back to gaming. Anyway, let's get back to Elden Ring. Let's not get too distracted by the fire. Let's get back to Elden Ring. We're gaming. Crack open a window. Is that smoke behind me? Guys, he's right behind me, isn't he? Anyway, let's get back to what's really important, which is Elden Ring. It's just... I'm so hot in here. My Burger King wrap started the fire. My fault, my fault. My bad, my bad. What can I say? You know, I'm kind of a gamer. You said it was in Celia. Bro. Chill.
Your attention, please. Your attention, please.
Hello.
This is Village Security. Fire department has arrived and are investigating the cause of the alarm. Please stand by for further instructions.
I'm standing by. I'm standing.
Fire alarm department. Fire department
I'm
has
standing
arrived
by.
and are investigating the cause of the alarm. Please stand by for further instruction.
Okay.
Fire department has secured the situation and all clear.
All clear. All clear. All clear. Ah!
Attention, your attention. This is Village Security.
All clear.
Fire department has secured the situation. All clear. The elevators will be working shortly. Thank you for your cooperation.
So, is it weird if I like order like food or anything?